Today, I'm testing the Ergotron LX Pro Desk Monitor Arm, a premium mount that promises to clean up your desk and make it more ergonomic. And honestly, with a name like Ergotron, it sounds less like office gear and more like the transformer that retired to fix everyone's posture. Ergotron, defender of ergonomics, destroyer of desk clutter, and the hero your setup never knew it needed. But in reality, it's one of the best monitor arms you can buy for a clean ergonomic setup with lots of viewing positions, much better than the subpar budget models you'll find on Amazon. I'm Harrison, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. Thank you to Ergotron for sending me this monitor arm to review. This is not a sponsored video, and all thoughts are my own. Let's go! My current monitor is the Samsung 34-inch Viewfinity Curved Ultra Wide. The LX Pro is rated for monitors up to 34 inches and up to 10 kilograms, so it's a perfect fit here. And here's what you'll find in the box. The main arm structure, head plate to attach to the back of your screen, an extension arm segment, a desk mount pole that the arm slides onto, a full set of hardware with all the bits you'll need to install this monitor arm. Assembly is straightforward and only took me several minutes. Attach the clamp base to the desk's edge. It supports typical desk thickness from 10mm up to 60mm. Once your mount base is secured, attach the arm to the pole. The main arm structure slides onto the pole. You then add on the extension, attach it now to the main arm. On the back of your monitor, attach the visor plate. The head plate then latches or screws into the arm's monitor mount interface. As for setting up the cable management function, route all of your cables, the power, display cable, whatever's plugged in there, along the built-in channels and snap on the covers. Made me feel so tidy and organized. Using the tension indicator, you adjust the arm so it lifts and holds your monitor weight smoothly. If the monitor falls or floats up, you've got the wrong setting. Don't skip this step if you want to set the arm up properly. Trust me on this one. Once you're done, you should have an arm that's firmly mounted, monitor attached, cables hidden, and ready to move. The first thing you notice once the monitor's on the arm, well for me anyway, it was the desk space. The old stand took up a huge chunk and now it's completely free. The movement and position options are fantastic. You can raise or lower the monitor by about 12 to 13 inches, extend the monitor forward or push it back closer to the wall. Tilt it up and down, pan or swivel side to side, even rotate the monitor into portrait mode, or as I like to call it, TikTok mode, if that's what you like. This Ergotron monitor arm is really solid and everything stays where you set it, no wobble or sagging. And because your monitor is off the desk base, you free up so much space for your keyboard, notebook, coffee, table tennis net, or whatever else you'd like to put there. I think a decent monitor arm is one of those things that you don't realize just how much it will improve your work experience until you've installed one. One of the standout features for me, the cable management system. The built-in cover snaps on, routes cables neatly, hides them both behind and along the arm. My desk and my entire workspace looks so much cleaner than it used to from that feature alone. I've worked in IT B2B sales for many years, and Ergotron have a reputation for high build quality, and this arm feels premium. Sturdy aluminium elements, smooth motion in all axes, solid joints, a few extras worth calling out, a rotation stop feature, so if your desk is right up against a wall, you can limit the arm from swinging right into that wall. The extension arm gives extra reach beyond the standard arm depth, which is useful if you sit further back or if you want your monitor to kind of float in the center of the desk. The tension indicator, as I mentioned earlier, which really helps set the balance exactly right. A 10-year warranty, which is always nice to see because it means that this is built with intention to last. So that's the Ergotron LX Pro Desk Monitor Arm. At around £120, it's definitely pricier than the 30 quid budget arms you'll find on Amazon. But for that price, you're getting far superior build quality. Smoother adjustments, easier installation, cleaner cable management, and a serious warranty. For my Samsung 34-inch, it's a perfect match. I just can't see myself going back to a standard stand now that I've experienced this. What do you think? Is it worth spending a bit more for a premium monitor arm like this? Or would you rather just stick with a budget option, something cheap off Amazon? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.